A very, very good evening to all of you, friends. A very, very good evening to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on your favorite YouTube channel on legal reasoning. So, friends, those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023 as well as for CLAT 2022, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this fantastic opportunity of answering certain questions relating to legal reasoning. Now, legal reasoning has always been one of the most important subject when it comes to your CLAT and other law entrance examination. So, in view of the fact that legal reasoning is very, very important, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this legal shorts series wherein we try to discuss with students who are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination insofar as legal reasoning is concerned. So a very, very warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you. A very, very good afternoon to all of you, friends. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So, friends, before we begin with today's class, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022 aspirants, a crash course for CLAT 2022 aspirants. This crash course is beginning today, friends. It's been launched today, that is 6th of January 2021. In case you guys have any doubts, you can definitely call us at 88061 30414. And we are also on Instagram. Join BYJU'S Exam Prep CLAT page on our Instagram, wherein we shall provide you information relating to current affairs, exam related information, quiz, important question paper, vocabulary, and other resources. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a booster course on legal affairs and current events for CLAT 2022. This is batch 2. In this particular course, you get build CLAT 2022 concepts from scratch for beginners relating to legal affairs, current events, and static GK. Expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, let's begin. So today we are all joining to answer certain very, very important question. Passage based question, I mean, for your preparation for CLAT 2022 and 2023. Up on your screen is a particular passage. Read the passage very carefully, and then we shall have to answer certain questions relating to the passage. Your time to read the passage starts now. Are we done? Are we done reading with this particular slide? Okay. Moving on to the next slide, guys. Moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this particular slide also, guys? Moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done? Fantastic. Let's go to the last slide. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. 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 The first question is up there on your screen. Let's see what is the correct answer to this question. Sorry. What is the correct answer to this particular question? Tell me fast. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. Okay. So I've started getting answers like C. Okay. There are people who are giving me different answers. So I got B, D, C, B, C, C. Okay. Most of the people are saying C. Harshani, Samarth, Binu, all say C. Okay, ABS views, all say C. Okay. Fantastic. So the correct answer, when most of you say it, it has to be the right answer, C. Anita should approach an NGO since she is not well off. She thinks that her fundamental rights have been violated. Since she feels that her fundamental right has been violated, she happens to be a poor and an uneducated woman. All that she can do is that she can approach an NGO who would be a public spirited person, who would work, that NGO must work for public spirit, public interest, and then file an PIL on her behalf. Very good. So the correct answer is option C. Next question, fast. Which of the following situation could have made him file the PIL? Under which set of condition, what situation can a person file a PIL? That's a pretty simple question. Banquet Hall is making a lot of noise, playing a lot of music in the daytime. Company having more than 100 employees working in a coal mine, where a large MNC is operating a factory which is causing huge air pollution in a village and is affecting the health of the people. Where an MNC multinational company is operating a factory which is causing huge air pollution to the village and affecting the health of the people. That is the correct answer. So option C is the right answer, guys. Am I clear? Very good. So read the passage carefully, then answering the questions is not difficult. Question number 3 is up there on your screen. So let's read the question. Which of the following provides the most suitable ground upon which the PIL should have been filed? Now suppose they considered it to be a coercive law that disqualified person having more than 2 children after a certain date from holding certain public offices in the panchayat. So option C is again the right answer. Most of you got it right. Very good. Very good. So see, the more you attend these classes that we are conducting at BYJU'S Exam Prep, the more advantage you will get insofar as your aim of getting into a law school is concerned. Correct answer is option C. Moving on to question number 4. So here is a man who files a PIL in the High Court. Will the PIL be accepted relating to child labor in a particular village? Whatever. Yes, the High Court will have to accept it. But there are two yes, option C and option D. Let's see which one is the better one. Yes, because anyone can file a PIL on anyone's behalf in any level of court in India. Yes, because he is a social worker and social workers have special right when it comes to filing of FIR, PIL. Who said so? No. Anybody can do it. The correct answer is option C. Option C again is the right answer. Have I made myself clear? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Am I clear? Each and every one of you. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Question number 5. Option C in demand. Nice. Because all question number 1 to 4 was option C was the right answer. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I have started getting answers from Samarth, Kadambari. Okay, Ishan, Chirag. Okay, very good, very good. The correct answer is option B. Yes, any person can file a PIL where a public interest is being affected to people at large. So where people are affected at large in a community, then any person can go and file a case on their behalf. That's what a PIL stands for. Am I clear? Very good, very good. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Fantastic. Fantastic. So I see a lot of you are giving me the right answer. Very good. Very good. Now, before we move on to the next set of questions, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2023. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, here is a fantastic opportunity of joining this comprehensive course, Batch 7 for CLAT 2023. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, DY study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 100 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. Moving on to the next set of passage. Read the passage very carefully and then we have to answer certain questions relating to the passage. So your time starts now. Okay, are we done? Okay, moving on to the next slide. Are we done reading with this particular slide also? Are we done, guys? Tell me. The last 15 more seconds for you then. The last 15 more seconds for you. Okay, fantastic. Moving on. Moving on to the next slide, guys. Moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done, friends? Fantastic. Moving on to question number 6. So here the minister had certain information about tax changes, which he informed to his son. And the son took advantage of it. Alright? So his son, who had certain stocks of a particular company, sold that stocks because he knew that the company would its profit would fall. Am I clear? Now this is what we understand as using confidential government policy decision. If you are using confidential government decision, confidential information relating to government policy for your own personal benefit, yes, it does amount to insider trading. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Question number 7. Yes. You are aware that the government is coming up with a new policy decision whereby they are going to impose certain cess on registration of flats. Right. Am I clear? Now, you are using that for someone's personal gain. One of his friends, very, very important, one of his friends who was a property dealer completed the registration of all flats he had booked without the knowledge of Mr. Y. So the correct answer over here is yes, because his disclosure of the proposed government policy has helped someone to make personal gains. Have I made myself clear? So if you read the passage carefully, if you are able to read the passage carefully, it is not difficult. Question number 8. Okay, let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is the hacker has unlawfully breached the computer security for personal gains. He, see, a few insurance company to which the information was divulged made huge financial gain having prior knowledge of the government policy. So here is a man who breaks into the computer of a minister and takes out the draft health insurance policy and he hacks it. So the correct answer is option A. Have I made myself clear? Option A is the right answer. Very good, very good. Fantastic. Proud of you guys, proud of you. Question number 9 is up there on your screen. Andhra Pradesh, the erstwhile state of Andhra Pradesh. Chandrababu Naidu once had proposed that there would be legal capital, executive capital, and legislative capital. 3 different capitals to Andhra Pradesh. Right. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. And if one of the ministers bought many plot of land in the proposed place of the new capital at a very cheap rate. Now, this is what we understand as using knowledge for personal gain. Yes. The minister used his knowledge for personal gains. That is what is meant. Very good, very good. Did you all understand how to solve these questions? These are not difficult questions. All that you need to know is read the passage, read the question, and give me the right answer. That's it. Okay. Question number 10 is up there on your screen. Now the minister, while discussing a proposed policy in a private meeting, carelessly says that the government is coming up with some proposal of increasing the domestic defense budget to give incentive to domestic manufacturers of weapons. Now, one of his friends divulged that information to a businessman dealing in defense products who made sufficient gains. Now, this, who is liable? The minister, because he had discussed a government policy in a private meeting. Very, very important. In a private meeting, you are not supposed to do so. So the correct answer is option A. Most of you are giving me the right answer. Very, very good. Very, very good, guys. Very, very good. Is that clear to each and everyone? How to solve these passage-based questions? I hope you understood the various questions that were discussed today in the session. So friends, before we end, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course, Batch 5 for CLAT 2022. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2022, here is a comprehensive course, Batch 5 for you. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2022 concepts from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, with this, we come to the end of today's session. I hope you liked it. If you have liked it, do press the bell icon of that. Just give us a thumbs up. And definitely do not forget to subscribe to this beautiful channel if you haven't till now. Till then, bye-bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.